Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, this is an unboxing of Eluteng NVMe SSD Enclosure with fan. If you need a fast external SSD, NVMe SSD might be the best choice. Through USB-C Gen 2, the Eluteng NVMe hard drive enclosure has a built-in cooling fan. It features ultra-high-speed 10 GB per second USB 3.1 transmission speed, widely compatible with M-key specifications. M2 NVMe SSD sizes are 2280, 2260, 2242, 2230 respectively. There is a built-in silent fan, can realize positive heat dissipation, 5V 6000 revolutions per minute. When connected to a PC or mobile phone, you may turn on the fan switch to activate. The case is metallic, and there are holes for air circulation. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.